Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm rushing because it's time to get my daughter ready for kindergarten. My son is also starting second grade tomorrow, but I wanted to do a little bit of me time before the craziness starts. I have to go ahead and wash hair, detangle hair, deep condition hair, braid hair, get their clothes out, iron. I don't even iron, but they're going to school, so I have to iron, backpacks, all the craziness that is back to school. But again, I just wanted to go ahead and put myself first and make myself look good so I don't feel like Molly the maid, getting the house cleaned and lunches and all of that. Shout out to you if you are a mom or just a parent in general who is preparing for back to school. Pray for your kids and watch over your kids and make sure they are safe this school year from everything that's going on in this world. I am teaming up today with Ashimary to bring you this gorgeous bob. I'm going to be showing you how I take it from what it looked like straight out of the box to a beautiful install. I did not bleach the knots or anything like that. So you'll see how we can make this work in all of 15-20 minutes while the kids are eating ice cream when they get back to the kids. Super simple and easy. It doesn't have to be hard or anything like that. So if you're interested in following along and seeing how we got this look, keep on watching. Okay, love bugs, so I am in my little hot girl summer top and I'm about to get it cracking with a bob. This is my natural hair blown out. It is almost due for a wash, but instead of washing it, I'm gonna add a wig on top so I can look cute. This is the inside construction of the cap. I'm not sure if this is 13 by 4 or 13 by 6. It's giving 13 by 6, but it could be 4. Also looking at the parting, it is pre-parted as a middle part, but of course, as you guys can see, there's lace all the way across, so that way you can do a deep side part. You can do whatever you want. I might myself do a side part. We'll see how it lays and fits. I just wanted to show you guys. Also, you have the option to go ahead and bleach the knots. This is what the knots look like close up. Let me go ahead and take care of my hair and put a wig cap on, and let's go ahead and jump into the install.
You so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go.
Baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me.
Yeah. Acted kinda innocent this morning. You don't wanna talk it out. I agree the talking feels pointless. Still it happens every night. You know that I need ya, but I'm so sick of this, not sure I can leave ya. It'd be so hard to quit, but every night that we explore, wish I could walk out that door. Hate that I need ya. Yeah. Play it cool, just keep on dancing. passion. Soon we'll burn down into ashes. Cause you keep playing with matches. Hate that I want you. Running out of second chances. Ooh, oh. You keep taking me for granted. Ooh, oh. Cause I don't wanna do this any longer.
Let's add a little bit of concealer. Sometimes if your wig look a little crooked, just tug it. Just tug on it a little bit and it might straighten out. Okay, really quickly, I'm watching Peyton. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. But this is the bob here. Let me show you one little fun style that's very sassy and cute. You just kind of leave a little bit of hairs. You can do more or less depending on how you like it. And then just take it back and just pull it up. And as you're pulling it up, you're twisting hair from both sides. So it's kind of like messy, but it's twisted into like a cone. The shorter the hair is, the more you may need like bobby pins to keep a lot of the hair up. And then I'm gonna take a claw clip, not sure which one matches more. I'm gonna go with the bottom one and just take, and because it's long, I'm gonna go closest to the bottom as possible so that the hair doesn't hang, and just let it hang over. And you can kind of like open up the clip to pull hair that falls in. From there, you kind of like make sure that the hair, the wig cap is down, and just find a way to get as much of the hair in. I'm gonna take this back here and twist it because it's so short, to kind of finesse it in, because I'm just kind of showing you guys a fun way. And this is like that fun, like after work happy hour sexy bad bee look without doing too much. If your bob is messed up and you don't feel like, or you don't have time to like re-straighten it in the morning, clip it up, have fun. If it's crinkled and messed up, you're still good to go. You guys know I was trying to debate, do you leave it flat like this? I feel like this way does look good and it gives the wrap, like, you know, like the natural wrap vibe when you have it like flat against your skin. But I just feel like for me it looks a little bit more wiggy. It's like if you take it up, this to me looks a little bit less wiggy, like taking it off of the forehead just a little bit, even if you're not gonna do any baby hair. But this one did come from Ashimary Hair, and this is the bag that the wig was in. Inside, ooh, I'm about to do my daughter's hair. Tomorrow's back to school, so I'm about to give her a good wash. So I'm going to be using this. This is one of those detangler brushes. It works really, really, really good in the sink with the kids' hair and with my hair as well, because I'm very tender-handed, but it helps to get a good detangle going. And then inside you also get some more goodies. So here I have some nice full lashes. Trying to help not drop anything. A melt belt with their logo all over it. Super cute. This here's an eyebrow brush. Baby hair brush. Rat tail comb, and it's very, 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 very cute. And then last but not least, a pack of wig caps. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. I'm going to take some pictures. Again, don't forget to vote and let me know which way you like to wear your wigs. Also, whenever I do a wig install, if it's a little bit puffy, like right here, I just can't get it to lay flat. Rather than adding more product, I'm going to go ahead and lay it down with a scarf in the OG fashion. So never fret. I'm going to get it perfect as I need it. This is that perfect length that is like boss vibes. And I'm feeling it. So I'm Ashley for tuning in for the first time. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Suggest some more videos from me in the future. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.